Okay, so this one's gonna be on how to be able to install a Wi-Fi driver onto your Windows 10. But let's say, like for example, I just bought this computer, and for some reason the DVD driver, it only has one DVD driver and it doesn't work. I mean, it's brand new, but the DVD driver doesn't work. So that was a major bummer. But in order for me to be able to install the Wi-Fi adapter, I needed to be able to put in the disk, and since the DVD player wasn't working, I was not able to do that. So if for some reason something like this happens, and you want to be able to get the setup.exe, all you would do, like for example, I'm using the Netgear N300. Just go to your browser, type in Netgear N300 or whatever version it is, and type in setup.exe, and then it should take you to this Wi-Fi adapter. And all you would do is go ahead and click on the website. Okay, and then it's gonna go ahead and allow you to be able to download it. So just click on downloads. Okay, and then click on that, and then click on download. And as you see, it's gonna go ahead and download this file or this zip folder. And in here, okay, so once it's downloaded, all you want to go ahead and do is open it, and then just go ahead and look for the one that says stand alone, and then just go ahead, you can actually just open that and then go ahead and run it, and this will allow you to be able to install it. So basically what I did is I went to another computer and I downloaded this exe or this setup.exe application, put it on a flash drive, and then I through the flash drive I was able to run it into the new computer. So so that's what you would do. You just click on setup, and it's gonna go ahead and start. So I'm not gonna do it because I already have it installed, but that's what you would do. And then after that, it's gonna install, and then you would just stick the adapter, and then that's it. Now you have Wi-Fi. So hopefully this helps somebody. So that's it for now. Bye.